Hello and welcome to the latest video from AHDB Beef and Lamb. This week I will be taking a quick look at the cull cow market. As we have reported numerous times, a particularly high number of cows were slaughtered last year. At the start of the year, demand for manufacturing beef was particularly high. This supported the price for the first half of the year and perhaps swayed producers into cashing in on the good price and sending marginal cows. The summer drought then hit, and in some cases, farmers had no choice but to send cows off farm as feed stocks became tight. This put pressure on the price, however, cow slaughter remained high until November. This resulted in the highest annual cow slaughter since over 30-month animals were allowed back in the food chain back in 2005. Typically, the cull cow price rises slightly in the first half of the year as demand for manufacturing beef picks up and then drops away going into the winter months. This is due primarily to an increase in slaughter around this time as farmers choose which cows to keep on over the winter months. An increase in demand for prime cattle around this time of year will also put a limit on capacity and demand for cull cows. Last year, the price started off particularly high, but still followed the seasonal upward trend. As mentioned, the drought in the summer put significant pressure on the price, and a sharp drop was recorded in the summer months. After recovering slightly, the price continued to fall as manufacturing demand subsided and cold storage started filling up. Looking to 2019, the price has started off relatively low, but has been gathering a little pace and is now tracking upwards, albeit still below both the 5-year average and the 2018 price. Considering the number of cows sent to abattoirs in the last year or so, it is likely there will be a tightening of supply in the coming months. How much this affects the price will depend on how quickly beef in cold stores comes onto the market. A no-deal Brexit would place significant pressure on the cull cow market, as we rely on the so-called carousel beef trade with the Netherlands to process a proportion of our cow beef. In a no-deal scenario, exports would be subject to full EU tariffs, which would significantly reduce the value of a carcass being processed in the Netherlands. AHDB are currently producing numerous pieces of analysis on Brexit for whatever scenario may eventually come. Head over to our Brexit page, which has a number of resources farmers can use to prepare for Brexit.